All right, welcome back. So we're at code.org, CS Discoveries. We're looking at lesson 5, variables. And what this activity in the challenge is we're using string variables instead of numbers. So in the previous lessons, we've created a variable, in this case, color 1, and we would apply a number in there. And then we could, go down here and type in color 1, and it would take that number and apply it into this. But you can also make a variable a string value. And basically, a string is just text. Okay, and notice when we do this up here, so they have crimson. So if we run this right now, there's a crimson, right? And then there's a coral, and then a gold, and then azure, which I'm assuming is, this right here. So that's kind of, you can type in the text. You just have to make sure that you have quotation marks. So what they want you to do is take these and then change them, because what we're going to do is color 1 is going to fill in right here. And so whatever we type in, it will fill in with that color down here. So let's say instead of crimson, we want to make it sky blue. Okay, now I'm going to purposely make a mistake on this for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and type in sky blue. And if I run this, it's not going to work. It's going to give me an error. And the reason for that is when we type in text and we want it to see it as literal text, that's basically what you say is it's going to be literal text. You have to have quotation marks. So we have to put quotation marks in here to tell the language that we're taking this and placing it here, and we're using quotation marks. So take that and see that string and apply it in there. Okay, so now when we run this, we have sky blue. Okay, so then we can change this one as well, and we'll just do this as green. And when we run it, we get green, and we'll replace gold with, we'll do khaki. And then the last one here is we're just going to do red. Okay. Now the most important thing, so first, understand that variables can use text and not just numbers. But whenever you use that text, you have to put quotation marks around them. Otherwise, what's actually happening is the language is seeing this and saying, oh, variable color 1, if I don't have the quotation marks and I just type in sky blue, it's going to look for essentially a variable called sky blue, because you see that color 1 doesn't have quotation marks, right? So it's going to say, oh, is this the name of a variable? And it gets confused and it will error. So you just have to make sure that you have quotation marks in there. Okay? All right, so that's kind of how you do that with a string variable or a string value in a variable, is you have to make sure you have quotation marks. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.